Here are 5 secret tips to help you earn more online. Leverage AI tools. Use AI writing assistants like Jasper.ai to create high-quality content faster. Employ AI-powered design tools for stunning visuals without professional design skills. Automate repetitive tasks with AI to free up time for higher-paying work. Master the art of upselling and downselling. Offer premium add-ons or upgraded versions of your products or services. Suggest complementary products or services to increase average order value. Create irresistible offers for customers who might not be ready for your top-tier options. Build and monetize an email list. Capture leads with valuable content, upgrades, or exclusive offers. Segment your list for targeted promotions and personalized recommendations. Regularly send engaging emails with valuable content and strategic calls to action. Create digital products with evergreen income potential. Develop online courses, ebooks, or templates that can be sold repeatedly. Offer membership programs with exclusive content and community access. Package your services into digital products for recurring revenue. Network strategically and build strong relationships. Attend online conferences and webinars to connect with potential clients and partners. Actively participate in relevant online communities and forums. Offer value and help others without expecting immediate returns. Remember, success in online earning often comes from a combination of these strategies and a willingness to adapt and experiment. Focus on building a valuable brand, providing exceptional service, and continuously improving your skills.